guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Pinky the Elf, and today I'm going to teach you how to turn any piece of square fabric into a top for summer. I mean, it doesn't have to be for summer, because if you're like me and you a hoe and you don't get cold, you can wear it in winter. Just put that jacket on top and style it with some jeans or some thick trousers, and boom, you're gonna look. So I'm using a bandana today because it's thin and just I have it because obviously we can't go out and I can't get it. And it's kind of depressing, but we move. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to fold it into a triangle like this. And this involves stitching, but if you don't want to stitch, you could also use fabric glue. However, make sure it's a good quality fabric glue. Make sure it's a good quality fabric glue so that it doesn't come out in the wash or anything like that. So you're going to fold it into a triangle just so you have 2 layers, and you're going to want to stitch up here and down here so it's stuck. So once you're done stitching, you should have something that looks like this. And I actually stitched it and left the gap at the end so I could turn it inside out, and that's just so around it looks more refined. And then you can go back in and hand stitch this bit closed once you've turned it inside out. So I'm going to do that and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like now. As you can see, it just looks much more finished than if you was to just stitch on that side. I do recommend though, if you don't want to do the inside out method, just use maybe a zigzag stitch along the edge just so it looks nice, or take your time when you're stitching, and definitely use the same color fabric thread. You know what I mean, use the same color. I can't get my words out, but yeah, that's what I mean. So I'm now going to tuck this bit in like this and use a very light brown thread and just close that gap, and then you'll have that. So this is what it looks like, and what we're going to do now is stitch this under here, but you're only going to stitch here, so you can do like a line down or straight across. I think a line down looks more refined, so that's what I'm going to do. So a line down, a V, so starting from here and then in there, so then you have a gap where you can feed your string through, and then you're going to do the same along this side, a V, stitch along here, and finally on the other side a V stitch. I recommend using a thread either black or really close to the color of the fabric you're using, just so that you can't see it. And make sure you go over the stitches with a back stitch at the start and finish of every stitch, just to make sure it don't go out, like it doesn't come out. And if you're using glue, make sure you again use a glue that's not going to come out in the wash. So this is what it should look like. So I've done a triangle stitch. I don't know how to explain it. It's a straight stitch, but I've sewed it in a triangle. But yeah, so that's what I've done. And then I've just trimmed off the extra thread. And then the final step is to thread the string through this gap here. And obviously that gap. So you'll have 2 strings on each side, and that will go here. And then you feed a final piece of string through the top, and then that will go around your neck. So in terms of string, you can order whatever type of string you want to use, but if you don't have string, just use an old piece of fabric that's stretchy, cut it into your length, your desired length, and just pull it until you stretch it out, and it will just become longer, and then you could use that to make the string. So this is what the top looks on. This is the final look, and I am in love with that. I love it. And the fact that it's open back is just perfect for somebody who can wear this on a holiday, you can wear this in the UK, and you can even tone it down with a pair of jeans. I've just put it on with the jeans I was wearing today, and boom, you got a look, honey. But yeah, so the string that I used was literally, I just cut old t-shirt that's stretchy and I stretched it till it was long enough. Obviously you can trim the string to however long you want it, but I kind of like it at this length. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.